Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click on the days of the week in order to select them. Now click on alarm name and type whatever you want to label your alarm. Click done on your keyboard, and over here when you scroll down you can tap on the switchers next to alarm sound, vibrations or snooze to disable or enable them. Then click alarm sound, click on ringtone, tap allow and select one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on it. Go back, and if you want to adjust the volume of your alarm, all you need to do is swipe left or right or the slider. Go back, click on vibration and select one of the vibration patterns by tapping on it and going back. Lastly, tap on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back, and when you're done, click save. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, hold it and click on the delete icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!